Hey YouTube, Rethinking Fairy here. It is February 28th, 2011. Bringing to you my weather share. Now I'm getting rained upon. Let me go back over here and we shall do it from the porch. There we go. Wow. As soon as I start the video, we get rain. Well, it's raining now. Temperature is 78 degrees. Feeling a little bit cooler than that though. Winds out of the southwest at going between 10 and 15 miles per hour, but we're getting gusts up to 31, 32. Like I said, it is now raining. It's been clear all day pretty much. This is the leftovers of the huge storm that I think pretty much got everybody across the central U.S. We had some wind gusts kicking last night that were insane. They had to be around 40 or 50. Pressure is at 29.89. Man, that smells good. I love rain. Some pretty cool clouds today though. Well, there's a little break. See if we can go catch the clouds over here without getting too wet. Need an umbrella. Beautiful. And it's dry over here. I love that. You can rain on one side of the yard, the other side, nothing. There we go. We have had some wicked clouds rolling through. But like I said, this is the end of the storm, I do believe. Oh, my poor little camellia bush got battered. As far as space weather goes today, I think the solar wind speed was like 340, holding pretty steady. Protons were 4.2. We did have an M-class flare. I'm not sure if it is exactly Earth directed. We'll probably feel some of the effects for it in the next couple of days. And we've got a coronal hole that's letting out some solar wind that we should see around March 3rd. So stay tuned for that. You guys forgive me, I'm not sitting at the computer showing you guys all the stuff on space weather and Intellicast because my internet does not like me today. Hopefully I'll be able to get these things uploaded without it crapping out on me. Earthquakes today, there was a 4.7 in BB, around BB, Arkansas, Greenbrier, Arkansas. There was also 3.8 and a 3.5, I do believe, and quite a few others around the 2.5 magnitude. Definitely some stout earthquakes coming out of there. One of the guys I subscribe to, Dutch Sense, said they could feel it all the way in St. Louis, the 4.7 this morning. So that's pretty substantial. They've got St. Louis feeling it. I think I'm a little too far away for that, being in Mississippi, but definitely some stronger quakes coming out of there. It is still swarming up there. The past couple days I haven't seen anything less than like a 2 magnitude. So you guys definitely keep your eyes and ears open for that. We've had them popping off all over the place, and I'll have to admit it's a little scary. It makes me worry. But we've got plenty of water here, and I am definitely one for stocking up on dry foods and things like that. So as long as my house doesn't completely cave in on itself, that should be okay. Anyway, I'll definitely keep an eye on the earthquake situation, seeming as it's getting stronger now. And I'm hoping maybe that's a good thing, since I mean, the New Madrid fault zone is supposed to be like the largest in the U.S. It's supposed to be bigger than the one in California. Sorry, I'm walking over here, but you guys got to see the blooms. We've got blooms on the apple trees already. Like 2 days ago, I did my last WeatherShare, and there was nothing on the trees. But we got some on there today. Anyway, I'm hoping that all these swarms coming out of Arkansas is maybe just like pressure releasing. So maybe it's a good thing. Maybe that we're getting all these smaller quakes means that we won't get a huge one. Right now I'm hoping I don't get bit by a snake all the way out here. Now that's amazing. We got blooms. I think this one's the apple tree. We have a couple of apple trees and a pear tree. I don't remember which one is which, but blooms and poor little dead leaves hanging on from last year. It just doesn't know what to do, does it? And our other two, I think this one's the apple. I think the pink ones are the apple, and the white ones over here are the pear tree. I'm not sure. And then we have these pretty little flowers all over the yard. I hope you guys can see them good. The yard is covered with just white and purple. It's awesome. I wonder how it can be this peaceful here and craziness everywhere else. Anyway, so that's the WeatherShare for today. I'll keep you guys updated on the earthquake situation. I would definitely say be prepared. Like I said, I got water and dry food and things like that to make sure we'll be okay if anything ever does happen here. And hopefully with all these little swarms going off, we won't have a big one, so I'm kind of keeping that in mind. It's been a while since California had a really big one, and they have swarms all the time, so yeah, we can hope. Anyway, and I'll keep you guys updated on the space weather. We've got that new sunspot, or two sunspots actually, rotating around the M-class flare this morning. Oh, hole. Hey, kitty kitty. This is Booger, you guys. Booger's mad at me right now. He just ran out of food. I have to go to the store. I hear you, buddy. I hear you. I'm going. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I'm going to have one as well. Stay free. Keep thinking. Peace and love.